I had another company come out here and do the under the house kind of lifting up thing. And they did such a sorry job, and it was supposed to be guaranteed for life. And then now they're out of business. I had some major cracking on the outside of the house. Oh, and the doors weren't shutting anymore. So I knew, oh, I have to do this again. So LRE's got a great reputation. Some of the ladies in my Bible study class even said, "What company did you go with?" And I said, "LRE." They said, "Oh, no problem." They definitely wanted to make sure that I was satisfied and that my needs were taken care of. And he kept me apprised of this, everything that was going on step by step. So, and he would say, "Come out and look and see." So I'd go out and look, and I was just so impressed with them. And they cleared once they filled in the holes, they cleared everything, made the yard smooth. I say, smart idea to get this company so you don't have to go through what I did, because it cost me a lot of money to have to do it twice. But I'll tell you, these guys really know what they're doing. It's a wonderful company to work with, and I highly recommend them.